Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are well. In today's video, we will learn about product listing and some product listing strategies to help our product show up on Google and other search engines. Let's get started without wasting any time. First we need to go to AdApps and search for Xandro. Here we find it, click it and install. Here again install it. As you can see, Xandro is now installed. Now we need to enter a password. Now we enter the password. We need to enter our phone number. Enter a PIN that Xandro send us to the number. Once we have entered the PIN, Xandro will be verified. Here we will search a product that we want to list and then click search. Here are many products we can list from that. Once we find it, we need to click on add to my products. Then on the side we need to click on add my products. Here you can see, cut this, then review and publish. Here you can see images, description. Click this and then click agree. Here you can see our product is publishing. Now let's go back to Shopify. As you can see, our product is now listed. Here we can change the title. We can also change the image. We can also choose from the variety of colors such as purple. Here you can see, change the images. Here you can see purple, yellow, lotus, pink and white. There is no need to upload too many images, as only a few attractive images are needed for a professional store. Here we will delete file. Here are some same images. We should also delete this. You can also make the text bold by heading 1, heading 2. Here in the side icon you can see the AI button. This button. Let's say we will type in features of decoration artificial flower. And then click generate text. Here you can see our text is generating. Then we will copy this and then paste it into description. Here we should not need because Drop is already giving me a best description. Here we should correct some few words, as you can see. Here you can edit an SEO for SEO. Now let's add a new tab. Here click Google word. Here we need to type in a prompt. Give me a short title of decoration. Give me a short title of decoration artificial flower. Then we need to click enter. For Google SEO. Then we need to click enter. Here you can see our answer is generated. Oh, it gave me the wrong title. No problem, we can try again. This time we will type in the following prompts. Give me a title SEO for Google SEO home decoration plant. SEO for Google SEO. Type in the following prompt. Then home decoration plant. And we will click enter again. Now you can see this time we will type. It gave us the correct title. Let's copy this and then paste in our search engines. Now let's optimize our meta description. We need to type in the following prompt. Here we can copy this and then here paste this and get that gap and type give me a description for Google SEO. Here you need to click enter. Give me a perfect title for Google SEO. Here click enter. We can now copy this description. And paste it in our search engine description. Here is the meta description. Paste this. Here click save. Here we can add title, but ZenWeb is already giving us best title. Here we will type a product type. And here in the vendor we will type our store name or our name. Here you can see. Now we should add an alt text. We will again go to Googlebot and then type a prompt. Give me an alt text of home decoration prompt. For Google SEO. Here click enter. And then we should copy this bold text and then paste it into our alt text. Shopify save alt text. Here again your loop, copy, save alt text, again add an alt text, copy, save an alt text. Alt text is very important for Google SEO. Here you can see now our product is fully optimized. Click close and then let's save this.